How to set up content filtering in SmarterMail. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged into your SmarterMail account. Click on the plus sign to open the filtering options. Next, select Content Filtering. Click the New button to create a new filter. Click the From Specific Addresses checkbox. Select the Next button. Enter email addresses that you wish to filter in the From Specific Addresses text area. Click the Next button. Enter a name for this content filtering rule. Select an action or actions by checking the appropriate checkboxes. Now click the Save button to save and create this content filtering rule. You now know how to set up content filtering rules in SmarterMail.